Hello everyone, welcome back to Chinwe's kitchen. Today's video is on how to prepare a very delicious Ofe Nsala, also called white soup. It is my native soup because I'm from the eastern part of Nigeria. I'm Igbo. I have my ingredients. I have my blended fresh pepper, ogiri and crayfish, dry fish, dry prawns. I also have the yam powder. Yes, I'm going to be using yam powder as the thickener. You can blend your yam, you can pound your yam, we'll call it inyofe, whichever one that works for you. I also have seasoning cubes, salt and dry pepper. My meat is already cooking. All I did was to add the blended pepper, crayfish and ogiri into my meat on fire. So I'm just going to allow it to boil for some time before I proceed with the other ingredients. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. So I like to add chopped onions followed by my dried prawns. I love the flavor of onions in my Ofe Nsala. And then I'm adding my dry fish. I'm just going to stir it and cover it up for it to boil very well. I also want to thank my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining the family. And to my friends that have always been here, thank you so much. Okay, so it's boiling now, but I'm just going to cover it up so that it's going to boil very well. So to it now, I'm adding dry pepper. Next, I'm going to be adding my seasoning cubes. Next, I'm going to be adding salt. So you have to be careful with salt here. I'm just going to stir it properly and allow it to cook. You can see it's already looking delicious. This soup is so easy to prepare. Very easy to prepare. It doesn't take much at all. It doesn't waste time. So it's boiling very well now. I'm just going to add the yam powder, which I already dissolved with cold water. I had to make it light. If it's too thick, it's going to have seeds and I don't want that. So I'm just going to stir it properly now. And the meat I used for this Ofe Nsala, I used liver, I have cow beef in it, and I also have smoked pork in it. And you can see it's thickened now. Yes, it's thickened now, and this soup is my favorite. I like to have Ofe Nsala in the house all the time. My sisters, they tease me a lot about it because I love Ofe Nsala a lot, and this is me serving it. Now this soup, you can eat it with any swallow of your choice. I'm going to eat it with pounded yam. You can also eat this with white rice. You can eat it with yam as well. This is so healthy, it's oil free, and also helps for weight loss. You can spice it up with uziza or tazi, whichever one you want, but I just like my Ofe Nsala like this. And here that it's raining back to back, this will help to warm you up during the cold weather. This is so delicious. Thank you all so much for watching, and please, I know you have comments, please leave me your comments. Okay, tell me, do you love Ofe Nsala soup? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you all so much. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share my video. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.